To go live on TikTok without having 1,000 followers. Start by opening the app. It's possible to go live with fewer than 1,000 followers, as demonstrated by an account with only 16 followers, which can access the live feature by hitting the plus icon and scrolling over to the right. However, on a brand new account, this option is not available by default. To enable it, go to the top right corner and click on the three lines. Then navigate to Settings and Privacy. From there, scroll down to the Report a Problem option and select it. Choose the Live option. Then open the drop-down for Hosting Live and select Other Hosting Live Issues at the bottom. When prompted if the problem is resolved, click No and then Need More Help. In the text field, type a message such as, I cannot go live on my account, or my live ended abruptly and my option to go live had disappeared, and submit it. After submitting the request, it should be possible to go live on TikTok without having 1,000 followers, although it may take some time for the feature to be enabled.